Your website might rank well in English. Same solution in Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or Hindi. And today, discovery is not limited to traditional Google results. Potential customers are also asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews for recommendations. If your business is only available and optimized in one language, you may be invisible across dozens of other markets. A multilingual website also needs localized page titles, descriptions, URLs, tags, structured data, translated images, and pages that search engines can properly discover. Your content must also be clearly structured for AI answer engines to understand your brand, products, and expertise. No platform can guarantee an AI citation, but without clear, accessible, and properly structured multilingual content, your chances of appearing in those answers may be limited. This is the problem Multilipi is designed to solve. Multilipi combines AI-powered website translation, multilingual SEO, and generative engine optimization or GEO inside one platform. It can translate a website into more than 120 languages while helping create the technical signals required for visibility across traditional search and AI-driven discovery. Let me show you how the complete workflow looks. From the dashboard, click Add New Project. Start by entering your organization or brand name and website domain. Then select the technology your website uses and choose the appropriate setup type. For this demonstration, I'll use a subdirectory structure which creates localized URLs such as website.com/fr. Next, select the website's original language and the languages you want to add. You can also select your industry, which gives Multilipi more context about your business and terminology. Here, you can enable multilingual LLM optimization. This activates the additional GEO layer and unlocks tools such as schema management and LLMS.txt. Depending on the selected integration, Multilipi will provide the required DNS records or a customized script. Follow the displayed instructions, verify the connection, and the platform can begin detecting and translating your website pages. Automated translation is useful, but businesses still need control over their brand language, important pages, and conversion copy. Inside translations, open the URL section to see the pages detected from your website. Choose a page and launch the visual editor. You can review the translated page in its actual layout and refine important headings, paragraphs, buttons, or calls to action. This is particularly helpful for pages such as pricing, product descriptions, and landing pages where a technically correct translation may still need adjustments for tone or conversion. One feature I found specially interesting is AI image translation. Instead of manually redesigning every banner or promotional graphic, you can select an image containing text, provide optional instructions, apply your project terminology, and generate a localized version. After reviewing the results, save it for the selected language. Now let's look at the GEO layer. Under LLM optimization, open schema and LLMS.txt. Select a target language and Multilipi displays the localized titles and descriptions for the pages it has discovered. You can review the generated metadata and manually edit anything that needs stronger keywords, clearer positioning, or more accurate brand language. The objective here is not just to translate a website, it is to give each language version its own discoverable and understandable structure. Inside statistics, Multilipi also provides multilingual page view analytics. You can review traffic by country, browser language, page, browser, and device. This can help identify which languages are receiving interest and which translated pages deserve additional optimization. Multilipi could be useful for SaaS companies, agencies, e-commerce businesses, marketers, and website owners who want to reach new markets without manually rebuilding their website for every language. The platform is launching on AppSumo from August 3rd to September 3rd, 2026. There are multiple tiers available, so review the live listing carefully based on the number of websites, translated languages, words, page views, and advanced features you need. You'll find the AppSumo listing in the description. Take a look at the available tiers and decide whether multilingual SEO and AI search optimization makes sense for your website.